Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y36 and let me show you how to activate developer options. First of all, open the settings. Then, once you're in settings list, scroll all the way down and select about phone. Here, go to software information, find build number, which is right here, tap on it 7 times, and as you can see, from now on, you're a developer. So now let's go back and enroll system. Here you will notice developer options, click to open, and you can use them however you like. To close them, just unmark the stop switcher and they will no longer be accessible. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.